This is a 1940s era portable kerosene stove. Several people have asked me how it works, so here's an example. The fuel's over here. It's an inverted, uses barometric pressure to keep it going. There's the burner that's going. The reason this is just started and it's got extra fuel in there, so it's burning a little high. The nice thing about it is it's mostly blue. So I can get in there and show you the blue flames inside. You can see all those little tufts and everything. Those are all various holes. In the 3 layers, it's got 3 layers of metal to make sure there's plenty of air and it's regulated pretty well. I did turn it down a little bit so you can see the flame is going down a little bit. There's virtually no fumes. These stoves were pretty popular for about 60 or 70 years, but they got wiped out by gas, natural gas and propane, because these don't react immediately. I've already, before I started the video, about 30 seconds before I started the video, I turned the fuel down, and you'll see that it's still pretty high and just it's now starting to go down. And so they're pretty finicky, and that's whereas on gas, you can get on with instantaneous gratification. And these are, however, a hell of a lot less volatile. They're not going to explode. And a lot lower tech, easier to store the fuel and so on. This is a burner I've never actually used on this side. So I'll go ahead and lift this off. So the pot in there is connected to a needle valve. These guys are very, very picky. And as you can see, the fuel is still going down. That's about where you want to use it for cooking. This is an unused burner. And this wick is actually asbestos. We all know how horrible asbestos supposedly is, but the wick does not burn away. And I've been using this side for about a year now, off and on, for experiments. And again, I have not touched it since I started. Notice the flame is it's about where I think it's going to stay. I don't really know. Anyway, these guys are very low tech. I've tried this with diesel, and I've tried this with dyed kerosene, and it works very nicely. As long as you're very patient with getting the burner height correct. This entire stove, again, is portable, and I guess was designed for maybe catering or something like that. It's a little big for cooking, and I think that Coleman probably had that locked up by that time. This is not pressurized. That's it.